Hey y'all, I just want to do a recap of my top 3 most funniest moments with my washing machine right here. So, for number 3, there's this there's this white clothes. There's this white cloth, and I don't know what it actually said to Emily, my washing machine, but I'm pretty sure it was acting like a fool, and it, I don't know I don't I don't know what kind of decisions it was making. Um, you should check it out. Oh, by the way, he he did it the white clothes did it 2 times. Forgot to mention that. And I'm not sure if I'll marry you or not, but you are adorable, so.
No, she's not! That, that piece of crap WM3400CW is so ugly and gay. You don't deserve to love you! How dare you! You! Oh, I can explain.
But you are adorable, though.
She's obviously a loser. She's a big fat screensaver. You said what? Get over here right now. Get over here.
At number 2, there's this door slamming that I did right when I was too angry to even close this door lid gently. It's probably the clothes' fault that they did this. And I don't know what kind of clothes they were, but those clothes were definitely boys. So oh, and forgot to mention that before this, the other clothes did the same thing the white clothes did. So here it is. Really sure.
Oh, you're not really sure, huh? Your WM3400CW looks so ugly and gay.
How dare you!
Monster.
Dare you! How dare you!
And at number 1 is the world's best, epic, and most funniest moment with my washing machine. Now, at number 1, there's this jump scare. There's those epic jump scares that you didn't expect. And it may have happened in both episodes 12 and 15. Let me know if I forgot episode 13, but in episode 15, Jake was the loudest ghost I could have ever experienced. Right, Jake?
Right.
And that's when my soul panicked to death. I would never want to have a night. Those jump scares almost gave me a nightmare. What about you, Emily?
I'm so upset about Jake right now. He almost gave me a nightmare of one of those jump scares.
You know what? I'm beginning to agree with you. So, here it is. What about you, Jake? Jake?
Is he good?
I'm not really sure about Jake.
Did he just write you? He did.
Yo, it's the fat string cerebral.
What?
We're trying to get more looks at it.
You saw what he just did?
I did!
Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. Shame on you. That's what you told us.
Jake? I wonder what you're up to, Jake.
What's Jake doing this time?
I'm not sure. He must have fell asleep or something. Oh, do not do that to me again.
Sorry. I just wanted to scare you for a bit.
So, let me know in the comments of what you guys think of my funniest moments. Let me know if I should make more, if I should do another episode, because that's what I'm planning on. But I'll be making the funniest episode that you will never expect. It's probably gonna give you nightmares, but like, subscribe.